Good morning. We are here at Myeonbay Modern Korean Bar and Grill here at UP Town Center. Upon scanning the QR code, ito yung makikita nyo na dito yung order system nila sa phone lang. Starting off with yung meat. So, ayan. Yung mga choices, scallops, etc. Spicy, yakiniku chicken, oyster chicken. Yung mga hindi available, nalagay naman nila dyan eh. So, ayan, maraming pagpipilian. Smoked pork belly, spicy yakiniku. And then, from there, you will also choose your appetizer. Japchae, tteokbokki, and fried mandonggi available. Entree. Beef stew, Korean ramyeon. Bibimbap, Korean wings, chicken bibimbap. Okay, and then soju. Oh, sorry. Hindi pala kasama yun. And then from there, soup. Okay. Kimchi. And beef rib. So, sinerve na. Ito, super bilis lang. In a few 1 minute lang ata. Side dishes, of course, meron cheese dip, potato marble, and ayan, kung ano-kanik. Extras, rice, and kimchi rice. So, ayan. Let's check the food. Per serving or per order, ito lang. Hindi natin ma-identify. Cheese, japchae, so we're going to grill it na.
Ano to? Mozzarella ba yan?
And ano yan?
Beef stew. Parang beef Paris. Paris.
Second round of meat.
May free haircut sa Lander.
Makain pa.
Yung isa to, tirik na.
Sanay isa. Same eh. Potato.
Binati ba kita?
Cheese.
Hindi siya mozzarella. Parang ano lang. Parang cheese sauce.
So guys, we are done eating. Ang ating bill ay 1,498 kasi nga 749 na. Okay? So, okay naman siya. Masarap yung mga ano tawag dun? Pagkain. Most especially nagustuhan namin dito is yung steamed egg. Beef stew daw ang masarap. Spicy siya, no? And what else?
Actually, ano, bibimbap.
Bibimbap masarap din. Tapos, masarap naman siya overall. And then, yung mga strips ng meat, maninipis. Pero okay naman kasi para mabilis kainin. Ano? Tsaka mabilis
Yung
maluto.
downside niya, wala siya.
Walang dessert.
Walang dessert. Tapos, yung option for drinks, ice cream.
Yung option for drinks, iced tea lang. And then, but you can order, i-charge nga lang yung other drinks na available like soft drinks, parang sa Perda. Which makikita nyo rin naman sa menu nila dahil bibigyan nila kayo ng ganito, QR, parang ganun. So, okay naman na experience. And for those who are craving for some here at UP Town Center, you can check out Yonbei Korean Grill and Restaurant. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And of course,
Hit that notification bell for more updates.
bye!